Alright, so in this Google Sheets tutorial, I'm going to show you how to combine first and last names into one column with a space in between. And then I'll also show you how to split them up into two different columns if you wanted to go that way. Alright, so in column A we have first names, column B we have last names. So we want to bring them together. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on a C2 cell and we're going to hit equals. And then we're going to hit A2, that's where Jim is. The and symbol, and then we're going to do a quote, space, quote, the and symbol again, and then B2. So basically we're telling it take Jim and put a space in between there and add Burns. Once we do that, we could hit the enter button and it's going to give us Jim Burns. We can format that however we want. If you click the little box at the lower right hand corner, you can drag it down and we're going to get all of them. From there, we can easily just reformat all this, resize it, and do whatever we need to it. Now, if we wanted to go the other way, say we have Jim Burns together and we want to make them two separate columns, you could highlight all the names. All right, go up to data, go down to split text columns. Click the drop down and put space there, and what it's going to do is it's going to separate it into two. Alright, so that is a Google Sheets tutorial in under 2 minutes. I hope this helps.